This is question number 2 on the June 2015 non-calculator paper. Okay, let's look at this question. It starts off by saying x is equal to 3, and then work out the value of 4x squared. So we just want to work it out. Now 4x squared means 4 times x squared. So 4x squared means 4 times x squared. We know that x is 3, so I need to do 4 times 3 squared. You should know that 3 squared is 9. You should be able to do that straight away in your head, but 3 squared means 3 times 3, which is 9. So I'm going to do 4 times 9, and that's 36. That's the answer that I put into the answer space. This is a very straightforward question. You should be able to do it without much of a difficulty. It is straightforward. It's not particularly the easiest question, but if you're familiar with substitution, you should be able to do this without any problem or difficulty. Part B. Part B starts off by simply saying solve, and then we have an equation with x's on both sides, and they've asked us to work it out. I've got 5x and x on either side, and then I've got positive 14, and this is positive 4 and positive 14 on both sides. So I'm going to bring all the letters over to one side, and I'm going to move all the numbers over to the other, and then I'm going to use that to solve my equation. So on the left hand side, I've already got 5x, so that's going to stay put as letters. 5x, it's going to stay put, and I'm going to bring over this positive x, which is letters. It's on the number side right now, so I'm going to bring it across here. When it comes across, it's going to become minus x. Okay. In terms of the other side, I've got 14 already there. That's a number, and that's going to stay put. Coming across from this side, I need to bring that positive 4 across to the right-hand side, across to the numbers side. When positive 4 comes across, it's going to be minus 4. It's going to become the opposite. I just need to work these two out. If you can, once you get to this stage, right, you've done most of the maths. You just, as I said, need to work each of these out. 5x take away x is 4x. That's equal to 14 take away 4 is 10. I now need to divide both sides by 4. So if I have x is equal to 10 divided by 4, I'm going to write it as a fraction. Okay, I'm going to simplify this fraction by halving both of them. 5 over 2, and I know that 5 divided by 2, in other words half of 5, is going to be 2.5, and that's my answer. Now this is a straightforward question. It's question number 2 on the paper. You should be able to do it and get full marks in it. Make sure you can.